Hello, guys. So 7 days ago, Alan Reminick said that S&P is going nowhere. S&P 500, and that also means other stock market like NASDAQ, etc., is going nowhere. But what happened? NASDAQ has gone up like more than 2,000 points in the 7 days. Dow Jones is continuously going up in the 7 days. And S&P 500 is also going up continuously since he said it was going up nowhere from 5138 to 5619 today. So more than 500 point in Nasdaq, more than 2000 points in more than 500 point in S&P, and more than 2000 points in Nasdaq in the 7 days when it was going nowhere. S&P 500, right? As per Alan Rapnick. And in his nonsensical video, the second last video, he said he presented lots of random fractals, and the summary of the fractal was this, that okay, just listen to this guy. So he so till May 13 and 14 he's still short, right? And the market has gone up 2000 points and he's still short. And in one of his videos he was calling April 22 as the high, but we can see that April 22 was the bottom and the market is continuously going up. And in my last video, I showed you guys the fractals, that, and he is very good. He has got a knack of cherry picking the fractals. Like for example, if he's bullish, he will pick up the randomly bullish fractals, and if he's bearish, he will pick up the randomly bearish fractals. But I showed you in my last video that we have got so much data in the indices that for any given point of time, you can pick up two fractals which are both bullish and the other one is bearish. And I showed you, you guys just go and watch my second last video. I showed you guys. And my fractals are not picked up randomly. They were based on correlation. And I was showing you guys a correlation of the percentages. Maybe in my next few videos, I will again show you guys the fractals of some other indices. But the point is that there was no way in hell this was a high, and there was no way in hell the market was going to go nowhere from here. Why? Because if this is 1 and this is 2, so the 3 is very sharp and fast. So I feel sorry for those who are still short till May 12th. That's all I can say. And if you want to join my group, you can message me on WhatsApp. This is the number to contact me, and I don't feel like sharing my information beforehand because I don't feel like sharing it for free. And this is how I trade it, and I am trading in a certain way. So the way I will trade, I usually employ the daily chart and the 30 minutes chart, and I share setup as they come. So when this was going on, I was mostly taking only the bullish trade because my analysis was that we will continue going up. And let me show you one more thing. Just bear with me. So I was bullish, and when this big candle happened due to some GDP news or whatever, I was actually surprised, but I told my group that some news even came and it turned the daily candle into red. But overall, I'm expecting continuation of the move up. And I showed the NASDAQ chart, and then the when the when the market opened, it fell down, but the fall was fall was bought out, and then I told them that it was a flat in the middle, and then it should continue going up, and then uh, I shared a video in the group, and then after this knife catch, I expected a correction and then upside. This is the 30 minutes chart, and then this is exactly what happened. That there was a correction intraday, and then there was the upside. The time factor was positive, so I was long. So this is how I did it today. So send me a message, and I'll see you in the group. Bye bye.